Need to adjust your screen timeout in Windows 11? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the screen timeout settings to fit your needs. Press the Win+I keys to open the Settings app. Click on System and select Power and Sleep from the left sidebar. In the Screen and Sleep section of Settings, select the drop-down menu and set it to your preferred timeout period. Click the Start button and then select Control Panel. Select Hardware and Sound, and then Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings next to your selected power plan. Adjust the drop-down menu to your desired timeout duration. Open the Run dialog by pressing Win+R, then type the following command: control.exe powercfg.cpl. 3 extend sleep after clicking the on battery or plugged in, and define the required screen timeout length. Start menu. Click Run, type CMD, then press Enter to launch the command prompt. The search bar can be opened by pressing Win+S. Type this command, where X will be the time duration in seconds. Open Powershell as an administrator. Use the following command to set the screen timeout. Replace X with the desired timeout value in seconds. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.